A winter storm brought snow to Colorado overnight. Denver received around 2 inches, but remains behind seasonal averages. Higher elevations saw up to 8 inches. Snow ended in Denver by 7 a.m., followed by sunny skies and cold temperatures. Reported snow totals include: *1 SW Eldora, Colorado, 8 inches. *Limon, Colorado, 5.3 inches. *2 NE Rollinsville, Colorado, 4.3 inches. *Nederland, Colorado, 4.1 inches. *DIA, 2 inches. Drier, warmer conditions are expected this week before an Arctic cold front arrives Friday, bringing cooler temperatures and more snow.